Have you ever wondered how to protect yourself from a dog attack? Dog attacks can be a frightening experience and can even prove fatal. It's crucial to know how to respond in such a situation. In this video, we're going to cover what you can do during a dog attack, how to handle the aftermath, and tips to prevent such incidents. Stay tuned to find out how you can protect yourself during and after a dog attack. Firstly, let's discuss what you should do during a dog attack. Dog attacks can be terrifying, but knowing how to react can make all the difference. The first rule of thumb is to remain calm and avoid panicking. Panicking can worsen the situation by making the dog more agitated, so take a deep breath and try to think clearly about your next steps. Running away might seem like the best option, but it could actually provoke the dog to become even more aggressive. Dogs are natural predators, and running can trigger their instinct to chase. Instead, try to back away slowly, allowing the dog to lose interest and wander off. When dealing with an aggressive dog, avoid making direct eye contact. In the canine world, locking eyes can be seen as a challenge or a threat, so divert your gaze and look down to the ground. Another strategy is to make yourself appear larger and louder. Spread your arms out wide, stand tall, and shout or scream. This can startle the dog and might cause it to back off. If you have an object at hand, like a bag, an umbrella, or a stick, use it to keep the dog at a distance. Position it between you and the dog, creating a barrier that the dog would have to get past to reach you. As a last resort, you may have to fight back if the dog attacks. Punch, kick, and use whatever you can to defend yourself. However, it's crucial to aim for the dog's most sensitive areas, like the nose, eyes, and throat, to have the most impact. Remember, the goal is to protect yourself while causing the least amount of harm to the dog. Dogs usually don't attack without reason. It could be that they're scared, protecting their territory, or responding to pain. Recognizing these cues can help prevent an attack in the first place. In the next part of this video, we'll discuss what to do after a dog attack. Stay tuned for more valuable information on this important topic. Now that we've covered what to do during an attack, let's move on to what you should do after a dog attack. The immediate aftermath of a dog attack can be a whirlwind of emotions and confusion. However, knowing the correct steps to take can significantly improve your recovery and prevent a similar incident in the future. First and foremost, seek immediate medical attention. Even if the wound seems minor, it's vital to get it checked out by a healthcare professional. Dog bites can lead to serious infections if not properly treated. If possible, take pictures of your injuries before they are treated. This can serve as valuable evidence if the incident escalates to a legal case. Secondly, report the incident to the police. This is not just about seeking justice or compensation. It's also about public safety. Your report could potentially prevent others from falling victim to the same dog. Provide as much detail as you can, such as the location of the attack, the breed and size of the dog, and any distinguishing features. Next, if you can safely do so, try to identify the dog's owner. They should be held accountable for their pet's actions, and they may be liable for your medical expenses. It's also important to find out if the dog is up to date on its vaccinations, especially for rabies. If the owner is uncooperative or cannot be found, you may need to take legal action. In addition to reporting the incident to the police, it's crucial to contact your local animal control agency. They have the authority to investigate and potentially remove the dog if it poses a significant risk to public safety. Finally, you may need to get a rabies shot. Rabies is a deadly disease transmitted through the saliva of infected animals. If the dog that bit you was not vaccinated, or if its vaccination status is unknown, it's best to err on the side of caution and get the vaccine. In the days and weeks following the attack, keep a close eye on your emotional well-being. It's normal to feel a range of emotions, from anger and fear to sadness and confusion. Consider seeking counseling if you're struggling to cope. Remember, healing takes time and it's okay to ask for help. To summarize, after a dog attack, it's important to seek medical attention, report the incident to the police, contact the dog's owner, call animal control, and possibly get a rabies shot. These steps not only protect your health, but also help to ensure the safety of others. Taking these steps can help ensure your safety and prevent future attacks. Of course, the best way to handle a dog attack is to prevent one from happening in the first place. So let's take a look at some tips that can help us do just that. Firstly, it's always a good idea to avoid unknown dogs. Dogs are often protective of their territory and can become aggressive if they feel threatened. If you see a dog you don't recognize, it's best to give it a wide berth. Secondly, understanding dog body language can be a game changer. Dogs use their bodies to communicate and often give signals before they become aggressive. A stiff body, pulled back ears, bared teeth, or a wagging tail can all be signs of an agitated dog. By recognizing these signs, you can avoid a potential attack. Now, let's talk about children. They are often the victims of dog attacks due to their small size and lack of understanding about dog behavior. It's crucial to teach children how to interact safely with dogs. They should know not to approach unknown dogs, not to pull a dog's tail or ears, and to always ask the owner before petting a dog. It's also important to keep dogs under control. If you are a dog owner, always keep your dog on a leash when in public places. This not only protects others from a potential dog attack, but also keeps your dog safe. Training your dog to follow commands can also help prevent attacks. A well-trained dog is less likely to become aggressive and more likely to listen to you in tense situations. Lastly, never leave a child unsupervised with a dog, even if it's a family pet. Dogs can become unpredictable, and it's always better to be safe than sorry. These tips are not foolproof, but they can significantly lower the chances of a dog attack. It's all about being aware, being respectful of dogs, and understanding their behavior. Remember, a little knowledge and precaution can go a long way in preventing dog attacks. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. During a dog attack, it's critical to remain calm, avoid eye contact, and refrain from running. Make yourself appear larger and louder to potentially scare off the dog. Use any available object to keep the dog at bay. As a last resort, you may need to physically defend yourself. After a dog attack, seek immediate medical attention. Report the incident to the police and make contact with the dog's owner. You might also need to call animal control and consider getting a rabies vaccination. To prevent dog attacks, stay away from unfamiliar dogs, learn to understand dog body language, teach children how to safely interact with dogs, and always keep your own dog under control. By keeping these tips in mind, you can protect yourself and your loved ones from dog attacks. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.